Want to start trading on TradingView using your Vantage account? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect the two platforms. Let's get started. First, head over to the Vantage dashboard. On the home page, you'll see a button that says Open Live Account. Click that to begin. Step 2. Next, you'll be asked to choose your trading platform. Make sure to select the one that works with your setup. We'll be choosing TradingView in the next steps. Step 3. Now, under Account Type, select the option that says TradingView. This will link your new account directly with TradingView's platform. Step 4. Then, choose your preferred currency for the account. This is the currency you'll be trading and funding with. Step 5. Finally, check the agreement box to accept the terms and click Submit. That's it. You're now set up to use Vantage on TradingView. Bonus tip: after signing up, make sure you're logged into the same email on TradingView and Vantage. It makes connecting your broker seamless inside TradingView's broker panel. And that's how you connect Vantage to TradingView. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!